live here at the net. All right, dog, show me where Spike is. Get him. Hydrate, Bubba, hydrate. Boom, boom. I have yet to even see this. I should have came and walked it a little bit, walked the field. I'm unfamiliar. Are they actually houses, or are they just
no, they're just like
skids?
little huts.
Oh.
About 6 beds each.
Where are we starting at?
This end.
There's Spike.
That one looks like it's brand new. Oh no, burnt. Okay.
Just lob a grenade right there.
You know, Spike, that second video you put up with the Vellums or the Archangels, I didn't notice Seth behind the thing. It looked like a magic trick. You hit it and he like appeared.
Like I shot him there.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome.
Comment, now my shield can be used for something.
I thought that's fucking awesome. They did a magic trick.
You're allowed to use a shield with a pistol. Yeah, well, not the one game.
Those at least 2
It doesn't really
pistols.
matter. We were getting fucked up in either way.
You guys are staring down here.
Okay.
Where do you want them to start at, Greg? Like the trenches?
How long are we playing for? God damn you. There we go. Oh, man. What's that? Oh, shit.
Where's the camera?
Roger that. What the hell was crashing through the woods there?
As you can see, the gap, we don't have one in the middle there.
20 people with shotguns.
So these 3,
4.
and then that's the next one.
Okay. So how far back are they starting? Because we're probably out of range now.
Right? With the safety on. See the big one?
Yeah.
That's where they're going.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you.
Joey, right now the shotguns have the range. So you guys want to stay back and just hammer away until you expend your ammo? And the front people with the pistols will just try to live until you guys come up, and then we'll go.
If you get in a building and plan on staying in a building, try to pick one that has a tarp on it, and you're gonna shoot right through it and get you.
Right there.
Like that one. There's one with 2 on it.
They're going to run right off the start.
So am I.
So point your fucking shotgun right down there and lead them. Okay? 'Cause they're going to do the same to us, I guarantee it.
How many shotguns do you have on that thing?
None.
And don't prairie dog behind the equipment. I mean, come out the same spot every time. They'll wait for you and pick you off. We're very good at it.
Oh, wait, Stephen has a shotgun, don't he? I played PUBG.
Maybe, yeah. Just everybody else go for cover right away and get set up.
I think Stephen and Greg.
How about
Spike's
you on
just
this
down.
side?
That's what should I go for?
I want you behind cover right away.
Me and him are going right here, right?
You come with me. We're going to use this bunker right here.
Starting right there.
What? Yeah, I know. They're going to burst out of
Hey, should I throw a grenade?
You only got a smoke grenade. It won't eliminate anybody.
Uh-huh.
It'll just expose you longer to
I
their
don't
fire.
have a smoke grenade.
Well, you can throw it later on in the game, but I'd save it.
Basically, on the door, cover your mouth, and don't talk.
I believe that. Okay, get ready to spread out. You come with me.
Ready?
I'm going right here, Bubba. Use that bunker to put in between you and
Ready?
me. God damn it. Hold it right down on a rock. Mama. Just cover. Yeah, that's all of them. Well.
Grab on you and see him.
Just keep your head down. Let me know if they're coming up on us. That's not good. Should have a time limit on this too. Okay, I'm back up.
Throw your grenade.
Not yet. We need to eliminate them first. Where's Spike? He's getting closer there. He's got a throw.
Oh, what?
He's throwing a smoke. He already lit it. I thought my gun went off. I thought I fucking killed somebody. Fucking thing.
You said boom. You said.
We got one down, so.
You're dancing at me.
Fucking one every time.
You hit? You're allowed to respawn.
You probably don't even know what that means. Oh, that was close. That was real close. Joey, how you doing with that shotgun? Get out, Bo! You got me. You back in?
I'm out.
Yeah, you can come back in.
No, I mean, I'm out of ammo.
Oh, pull your pistol.
You already used that. Got like one or two guys out, but that's pretty much it.
All right. Give me your clip.
Oh, he's got me covered.
Jam that fucker in there. You know how to? Not coming back in until I am loaded. Here they come. Shotguns up. You can go back in. Go.
How many times you allowed to go back in? I thought only once.
Twice.
Oh, 2 times.
Twice.
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 You
Two.
did, or you just went back there?
Yes. Oh. Yeah.
I got Spike.
You got Spike?
Yeah, he was running right here by the border and I just laid him up. Yeah, I checked my phone.
Do they have anybody out?
I only got 3 shots off.
Joey, how much shotgun do you have? Ooh. Joe. 4. Get ready to go. All right? Get ready to go. You guys got your guns up?
Yeah,
Get
but I
ready.
ain't got 3 shots.
I got one more. And shotgun shell, man.
Why the fuck is that stuck in there? Oh, fuck. God damn it. Here, reload.
I can't speed load this, huh?
Yeah. Watch, Tristan, so they don't come shoot us. Give me. You watching?
Yeah.
Hold that steady right there. All right, there you go, boss.
Thanks.
All right, get ready to go, both of you. Joey, you up? You gotta learn to communicate. Get ready to go. When I say go, you guys move up to the next bunker, okay? Save your ammo. I see you. Joe, you up?
Bunker, guy middle bunker.
God damn it. This is really falling apart quick. Joey, save some of those shotgun shells. I see them. Yeah! Joey, you ready? You gotta learn. Bubba, Tristan, move. Oh, shit.
Here we go.
Yeah. I'll let you know. Hold on. I have to fucking reload both my guns.
Cooper, are you out?
Cooper was shot twice.
Just try to hold out. They have to be running low on ammo.
Today.
Just stay in and live. I was going to push, but it didn't work.
Oh.
No, just stay put.